the big engine, you go pichu. At compressor, when compressor get maximum, you go pichu, and you let air off of compressor, so no have too much air in compressor. Usually around 125, 130 psi. Compressor on truck, you go pichu, and just about everything on the truck you run on air. Even the seat go up and down, and the brake all work on air, and not the CB radio. The clutch work on air, and the trailer in back. Oh, there's no construction ahead. You need to be updated. Oh my, that's Rand McNally. That's the girl in the GPS. She talked to me, and she reminded me that there's construction. No construction. Construction 2 weeks ago when I programmed GPS. We'll have to reprogram the GPS tonight. Maybe there was construction recently. Oh, yes. They work on bridge. Very good. Very nice bridge.